Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. Today I'm going to be talking about some and any, the difference between some and any. Let's get started. Some is typically used for positive statements, whereas any is typically used for negative statements. For example, I have some computers. John doesn't have any computers. So, some for positive statements, any for negative statements. Another example, I went to the zoo and I saw some monkeys, but I didn't see any tigers. So again, some positive statements, any negative statements. Okay, very nice. We usually use any with negative questions. Okay, negative questions. For example, I'm asking now, okay, do you have any brothers?
Yes, I do.
Very nice. So I don't know if you have any brothers or not, okay? Another example, is there any apple juice? Or
are there any apples?
are there any apples? Very nice. We can also use some with questions, but there are 3 occasions in which we use some with. Number 1, with requests, okay? For examples, please, can I have some water?
Can I have some chocolate, please?
Can I have some chocolates? Very nice. Number 2, with offers. For example, would you like some cakes?
Would you like some burgers?
Very nice. Would you like some cakes? Would you like some burgers? Very nice. So this is an offer. Very nice. Number 3, when we expect the answer will be yes. For example, would you like to watch some videos?
Yes.
Very nice. Here I have 3 sentences. We are going to complete them with either some or any, okay? Of course, as you all know, we use some and any with nouns, okay? Whether if it's countable noun or uncountable noun. The nouns here in these sentences are food, money, children, and apples. Number 1, I am hungry, but we don't have, what do you think? Some food or any food?
I'm hungry, but we don't have any food.
Why did you choose any?
Because it's a negative statement.
Very nice. Where is the negation here? Don't. Okay? Don't, doesn't, haven't, hasn't, isn't, aren't. This is the negation. Okay? So the answer here is any. Very nice. Number 2 here. He has, what do you think? Any money or some money? He'll buy this.
He has some money, he'll buy this.
Why?
Because it's a positive statement.
Positive statements. Very nice. So the answer is some. Number 3. Do you have, what do you think? Some children or any children?
Do you have any children?
Why?
Because it's a negative question, and also because you don't know if I have any children or not.
Very nice. So this is a negative question. Very nice. So the answer is any. Okay. The last one here, number 4. Would you like any apples or some apples? Some or any?
Would you like some apples?
Why?
Because it is a question
So this is a question.
and it's an offer.
Very nice. So this is an offer. Yes, so the answer is some. Would you like some apples? Yes, very nice. I hope this video will be helpful, and I hope it will clarify the difference between some and any. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you.